Imagine if a home would still be around in 300 years. Imagine if designing and building a home was a life-affirming experience. Imagine if a home easily evolved and easily adapted as your life unfolds. Imagine if a home produced as much energy as it uses. Imagine if a home was all of this and just plain beautiful. That is unity. Unity is a unique building system that includes technology, knowledge, a dedication to craftsmanship, and a dedication to building performance. It's uncompromised quality. And for us, quality is an objective, an ever higher standard. In our early days, we were learning, very much by ourselves. I could visit barns and old houses, and I could learn a lot about how it was done way back when. Before long, we realized that there wasn't much more to learn in this country, and there's a big world out there with better methods and better technology and better traditions of craftsmanship. So I went over to Germany and England, then France, then Scandinavia, then Japan. Building is a timeless craft, and we can stand on the shoulders of all the craftsmen and builders who perfected the trade hundreds and hundreds of years ago. We can learn from anywhere and from any time in history. That's the biggest strength of unity. We have developed a design system, what we call montage. And we design on the grid, giving us patterns and geometry that are all repeatable. And with computer technology, the result is a library of elements that can be dormers or bathrooms or kitchens or stairways. The most important aspect of designing a home is that it comes from the clients themselves. They use the library elements in our platform to help us configure the building on their behalf. There's just a lot of decisions that can be made by the homeowners to achieve what is appropriate for themselves and their site and their budget. The montage design method gives us a new language to describe a better way to build. All of our buildings employ open building practices, the most advanced building science and building techniques, and a method of creating structural elements off-site where building conditions are controlled so that the outcome can be controlled. Remember, a stick-built home is built on a construction site and is subject to variable conditions of weather and terrain. And when you include the nails and every stick of wood and every sheet of plywood, easily gets up to 50,000 parts and pieces that go into a building. When we off-site create a building, we aggregate all of those parts and pieces into fewer elements, 40, 50, 70 elements that are then assembled much more quickly and without the concerns about the variable site conditions. We are really using off-site as a way to keep a very, very high standard. Home building is a service to society. We believe strongly that homes have the opportunity to deeply impact people's lives. Home is a place that is secure, comfortable, energy efficient, dependable, and durable. It can happen quickly. It can happen correctly. That is unity.